One of the very common questions or doubts होते हैं बच्चों के around Indian mapping is the difference between the peninsular plateau and the Deccan plateau of India. बहुत बार बच्चे इसको synonymous समझते हैं and they think that Deccan plateau is also the peninsular plateau. ऐसा नहीं है. Now, when I say peninsular plateau, it is largely the part of India which is triangular in shape that projects into Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, and Bay of Bengal, और वो highlands है. Highlands हैं यानी कि इनके average elevation is around 500-600 meters to about 900 meters. इसको बोलते हैं the peninsular plateau of India. This is different from the northern plains. Northern plains, the Ganga Yamuna plains है, UP, parts of Bihar, parts of Bengal, parts of Rajasthan, including Assam plains. ये गंगा यमुना प्लेन्स, ब्रह्मपुत्र प्लेन्स और इंडस प्लेन्स के पार्ट है. इसके साउथ में जो पार्ट है that is called as the peninsular plateau, which includes Aravalis, Vindhyas, the parts of Gujarat, Saurashtra. It also includes Meghalaya plateau. It also includes Chotanagpur plateau. So whatever is south of the northern plains is called as the peninsular plateau. It's a highland region, a very, very old block. इसको हम क्रेटोनिक ब्लॉक भी बोलते हैं because of the hard resistant rocks which are almost Precambrian, almost more than 500 million years, more than 1 billion years old. The oldest part of India is the peninsular plateau. Now, when we say Deccan Plateau, we do not include the entire peninsular plateau as Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau का meaning बहुत अलग है. Deccan Plateau में what we do is we do not consider Aravallis, Vindhyas north में, we don't consider eastern and the western Ghats, and we also don't consider the eastern highlands, which is the Chotanagpur Plateau and the Bastar highlands of Chhattisgarh. आप ये पार्ट एक्सक्लूड कर दो, जो बच जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द डेक्कन प्लेटो. डेक्कन प्लेटो यानी कि सकुरास है. डेक्कन प्लेटो इज महाराष्ट्र प्लेटो. डेक्कन प्लेटो इज तेलंगाना प्लेटो एंड कर्नाटक प्लेटो. These four units make up Deccan Plateau. When we talk about the medieval kings and the expeditions towards southern India, we talk about them as the Deccan expeditions of the kings. Deccan expeditions Maharashtra में थे. Deccan expeditions towards part of Karnataka था. If you remember the exploits of Malik Kafur or Malik Ambar or even the Bahmani empires. Bahmani empire was what? Telangana. It was Bijapur. It was Gulbarga. It included Badami regions. These areas are part of Deccan. So the Telangana plateau and Karnataka plateau is very much part of Deccan. Then you were asked, so what about Andhra? Andhra Pradesh that we have today is largely the coastal plains of Godavari and Krishna and part of Highland Rayalaseema. इसको Kadapa बोलते हैं. Kadapa का good part is actually part of the Eastern Ghats. So Andhra Pradesh is not Deccan as of now what it is. Since the time Telangana got separated out, Andhra Pradesh is largely the coastal plains and the parts of the Eastern Ghats. वैसे what about Tamil Nadu Highlands? Tamil Nadu Highlands is also not Deccan. Tamil Nadu Highlands are the southern extensions of the Eastern Ghats. Hills like Javadi Hills, Shivroy Hills. जो Tamil Nadu plateau है, वो Eastern Ghats का part है. So what about Nilgiris? What about Anai, Mali Hills or Cardamom Hills? These are part of the Western Ghats. Western Ghats का southern extension south of Nilgiris जो है, they are highlands but not a part of the Deccan Plateau. So when we say Deccan Plateau, we remove eastern and the western Ghats. We also remove the eastern highlands, जिसको हम बोलते हैं the Chotanagpur Plateau, the parts of Mahanadi Basin and the Bastar Highlands. Bastar Highlands यानी कि Dandakaranya region, parts of southern Chhattisgarh, ये ईस्टर्न हाईलैंड्स का पार्ट है, ना कि डेक्कन प्लेटो का पार्ट है. सो डेक्कन प्लेटो इज अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक फिजियोग्राफिक रीजन. ये जो डिवीजन था, दिस वाज गिवन बाय एसपी चैटर्जी. He divided the peninsular plateau into 8 meso divisions. ये 8 meso divisions में Deccan Plateau was the North Deccan, which is Satpuras and Maharashtra, and the South Deccan, which is Telangana Plateau and Karnataka Plateau. So when we say peninsula, it's much more larger. Peninsula is the Aravalis, the Saurashtra, the Vindhyas. So the Deccan Plateau is a subset of the larger peninsular plateau. Now, इस डिस्कशन में एक और टर्म आता है what is Deccan Lava Plateau. Now, Deccan Lava Plateau एक अलग region है which gets superimposed on the parts of the peninsula. ये वो रीजन है जहां पर बिकॉज ऑफ वोल्केनिज्म अराउंड 60 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो देयर वाज लावा डिपॉजिट्स और बसाल्ट के फ्लड प्लेन्स हैं, बसाल्ट के लावा प्लेन्स हैं. This Deccan lava plateau includes parts of the Saurashtra, Gujarat, southern Malwa. It includes western Vindhyas and western Satpuras. It includes northern western Ghats, Maharashtra, and parts of Karnataka, Telangana. So once you know what is the part of the peninsular plateau, उसमें हम superimpose कर देते हैं the Deccan lava plateau. So Deccan lava plateau includes both parts of Deccan region, which is Maharashtra, Karnataka, and parts of Satpuras, and also includes a part of the peninsular plateau. इसमें southern Malwa भी आ गया, Saurashtra भी आ गया और northern western Ghats भी आ गया. So ये जो तीन टर्म है, make sure you are using them a bit more wisely and without any confusions now. Okay, so peninsular plateau is different from the Deccan plateau, is different from the Deccan lava plateau. Keep watching me for these kind of videos. I'll keep clarifying. ये जो map based questions होते हैं locations में, you'll find these discussions in my videos at Edukemi YouTube channel. Please recommend this to your friends and subscribe to us. Happy teaching all of you Indian map work.